In this video we're going to be talking about the best 3 laptops to buy on Prime Day. There are a lot of great laptops on sale, so it can be hard to decide which one is right for you. Acer Aspire 3A31524PR7VH Slim Laptop. This laptop is a great option for students, professionals, and anyone who is looking for a powerful and affordable laptop. Here are some of the key features of the Acer Aspire 3A31524PR7VH. 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. AMD Ryzen 3 7320U quad-core processor. 8GB LPDDR5 RAM. 128GB NVMe SSD. Wi-Fi 6. Windows 11 Home in S mode. HP 15.6-inch laptop. This laptop is a great option for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile laptop that is on sale for Prime Day. Lenovo 2022 IdeaPad 3i. This is a great laptop for Prime Day, and I'm going to tell you all about it. The IdeaPad 3i is powered by an Intel Core i5 12th Gen processor, 8GB of RAM, and a 512GB SSD. It has a 15.6-inch FHD display and runs Windows 11 Pro. This laptop is perfect for everyday tasks, like browsing the web, checking email, and working on documents. It can also handle more demanding tasks, like watching videos, editing photos, and playing games. The IdeaPad 3i is also very portable. It weighs just 3.30 pounds and is only 0.78 inches thick. So, you can easily take it with you wherever you go. LG UltraPC. This laptop is a great option for anyone looking for a powerful and portable machine that can handle all of their daily tasks. The LG UltraPC is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7000 series processor, which provides plenty of power for multitasking and demanding applications. It also has 16GB of LPDDR4X RAM and a 512GB NVMe SSD, which ensures that the laptop feels fast and responsive. The laptop has a 16-inch Wuxka 1920 by 1200 IPS display with an anti-glare coating. This makes it perfect for working in bright environments, and it also provides great viewing angles. The LG UltraPC also has a number of other features that make it a great choice for productivity, including a backlit keyboard, a fingerprint sensor, and a long-lasting battery.